Truck tires. The truck on the side of the road. All the tires are up. Fireman got it done. Big old dump truck. All the tires are burning. How the hell did that happen? Hope the driver got out of there alright. Looks like it. Maybe that's the gas tank or the oil or something, because why is it not going up? That's gnarly.
How many cars, bro?
That's just one dump truck. All the tires are on fire. I think maybe the oil leaked out or something, because it doesn't seem to be going out.
Wonder if the driver's okay, man.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. The door's open. They probably got him out of there.
They go through.
Holy crap, that thing is burning hot. Holy crap. Look at all that smoke. Jesus.
Traffic on a Friday freaking incentive. Oh look, Downbrook Squad. Oh, of course. Is this picture too big or no? Not really. There you go.
You get it through the gate if you position the camera close.
Oh, you're saying like real up here?
Yeah, I zoomed in. I've been recording this whole thing. Oh, they finally got it. I think they're low on water pressure.
Yeah,
something.
that's what happens. It only holds 500 gallons, maybe 700.
Yeah, it was crazy. I couldn't let it. I just seen a gigantic cascade.
Where are you working, right here?
UPS.
UPS?
I see smoke. I'm like, what the hell is that? And I smell the
they're
tire.
letting on one lane go now. That's all the stages care about is letting the highway go.
Woo! Good work, guys.